Slave Prince, Bell Ice, Vagina God, Slave Prince, Bell Ice. Yo, I won the medal. Yo, I'm gonna settle. I got the silver bullion and it's on my neck. I got a silver chain on my neck, silver ring on my hand. I gotta understand that there's a crown on my head, silver with the gem in it, gem inside the crown. So people wanna frown in the town when they see me. I'm shining and I'm laughing, and this money is not measly, unless you're talking about that currency, not backed by anything. Austerity, treasure, they want that from you, taking your treasure. And I'm sneezing hot, shoot, what's it gonna do when they want your money? And I'm talking about the bullion and the gold. It's been told, card game, they want you to fold.